Hi everyone, it's me, Jasmine. Thank you again for joining me for today's episode of DIYne with Pizza9. Today we are going to first start off with a trend that we've been seeing online where it's like a calzone and pizza combo. So we thought we'd give that a try today, and then I will show you how to make our Chicago beef calzone from Pizza9. So let's get started with our fresh dough here. Oh, let me go ahead and take out this air bubble real quick before we get started. Okay, so we are gonna make the calzone part first, and at Pizza9 we usually put butter inside our calzones. So we are gonna spread a little bit of butter on our pizza dough here, but only on part of it because we need to save some space for our pizza part. I don't know what to call this. There's really no official name that I've seen online, so I've been playing with the word Calzza or Calizza. So let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions what we might call this, let me know in the comments down below. Alright, now that we have our butter down, let's get a little bit of bottom cheese. That way our toppings stick to our crust here. And today we are going to make one of my favorite combinations of toppings. It's real simple, just pepperoni and green chili. So let's lay down our pepperoni. Okay, next up our green chili. Right. Perfect. Let me add some more cheese so that everything melts together. There we go. And let's just roll over our dough here. Like so. Make like a little crescent moon. Push down the side so everything stays nice and snug as it bakes in the oven. And if you've ever had a calzone from Pizza9, you know that we always coat it again with a little bit of butter on top. And then we add some of our sesame seeds just as a little garnish, All right, now that our calzone part is done, let's get started with our pizza. First thing as always, we have our pizza sauce. Remember, pinky's width from the edge of the crust. That way you have something to hold on to as you eat it. There we go. We have a little bit of bottom cheese so our toppings stick to our crust and don't fall off when we cut into it. Alright, now that we have our bottom cheese down, let's lay down some more pepperoni for our pepperoni and green chili Calizza. Couple more here in the middle, and now our green chili again. Just sprinkle it all over, that way every bite has a little spicy kick to it. There you are. Next up, our top cheese. That way all of our toppings stay nice and protected in the oven and don't dry out as it bakes. All right, now let's get this in the oven. Our pizza calzone combo is out of the oven. Now I know for next time I can fold over the calzone part just a little more because it's like a little tiny crescent moon right now. But let's go ahead and cut into it and see how it tastes. let me go ahead and grab a piece with both the calzone and the pizza part. So look at that, you can see the cheese inside the calzone part, and then we have our pizza sauce. It's really good. They're such similar flavors, but so different because of the butter and the sauce. I think this is a winner. Now let's go ahead and make our Chicago beef calzone. We have our fresh dough here. And first thing first, we are going to put some butter just on half of our dough for our calzone. Then a little bit of bottom cheese over our butter here. And our Chicago beef. So we actually get our Chicago beef straight from Chicago, so it is super authentic and absolutely delicious. Even just the smell of it. I wish you could smell it through the camera. All the spices. The aroma is just so delightful. All right. And then next up are sauteed peppers and onions. So we're gonna put this all over our Chicago beef here. We're gonna put some more cheese on top, that way when we fold it over, everything bakes together. Okay, so now let's fold over our dough. Like so. Make sure we press the edges together, that way everything stays nice and snug inside. Go. And let's put a little more butter on top. That way it gets that nice golden look when it comes out of the oven. And sprinkle a little bit of our sesame as garnish. All right, now let's get this in the oven. All right, now that our Chicago beef calzone is out of the oven, let's cut into it and have a taste. So make sure you cut all the way through the calzone. But let's go ahead and have a taste. We usually serve our Chicago beef calzone with a side of au jus, ranch, and marinara sauce. So I am going to dip mine in the au jus over here and have a bite. Delicious. So that concludes today's episode of Dine with Pizza 9. Thank you so much. I hope you like the idea of the Calizza or the calzone pizza combo. I think it is absolutely delicious. And let us know what you want us to try next, what recipes are floating around out there that we should try, or even something brand new, your own original idea that you want to see come to life. Let us know down in the comments. And everyone, have a nice day. Remember, pizza is life.